Class. We have started the chapter land supply. We have discussed about the land supply, types of land of uses. After that, we have discussed reasons for the rising demand for land. Definitely, we have discussed about the you can say the increasing ratio of population and loss of arable land. What is arable land normally? Where we grow crops. Okay, for usage. Then what is the over cultivation? Definitely when we grow crops, you can say excessively or you can say intensively, this is a reason we call the over cultivation. After that, we have discussed that about the overgrazing. What is the overgrazing? Can anybody tell me? Land is also lost when overgrazing occurs. Overgrazing is a situation without rest lead to desertification of land. The land becomes dry as it loses its vegetation cover and hence moisture. Definitely. The soil becomes too dry for growing of pasture and is often subjected to soil erosion. After that, competition for land from biofuel.
Biofuel. As the world becomes more concerned with pollution from fossil fuels, biofuels is held to be the best alternative. Land is needed to grow the plants that provide the biofuel. This means that the land is now not only used for crops and animals to feed the people, for housing the population, it is also used to grow biofuel plants such as oil palm. Figure 5.11 and the Jatropha circus plant.
Okay, now wait for a while. Now, competition for land from biofuel. Has anybody idea what is the biofuel and from how do we get this biofuel? Biofuel basically you can say come from the plants or the trees. When we burn them, okay, when we use them or when we grow these type of, you can say, uh, plants or the trees which use as for the purpose of biofuel, and this biofuel use as a fuel in different type of, you can say, transportation. जो आपके पास आप लोग जो बहुत सारा fuels burn करते हैं, so they basically you can say create a good amount of carbon dioxide, which is really dangerous for our for us or for our environment. This is the reason we try to produce the biofuel, which you can say come from the plants or the trees by the burning process of the plant or the trees. Okay, or this process you can say when now the next one you can see that large area of land have been cleared to grow oil palm, a good source of biofuel. Jatropha corcus plant, another source of biofuel. These type of, you can say, oil palm or palm trees basically used for biofuel purposes. You can see in your picture as well. And you can see the picture 5 figure 5.10. Desertification occurs due to overgrazing. Definitely when we you can say grow extensively different type of crops, or you can say the grass which is used by the animal regularly, so definitely एक time आएगा that your land becomes desertification. Yes, maybe we please start from this point. Ways of increased supply of land.
Ways to increase at which forests have been cleared has been fast following the rapid rate at which the world's population grows since 1960. Although land is cleared for other uses, clearing for farming and pasture is still the most important reason for loss of forest. In tropical countries, previously the land cleared for agriculture is mainly for subsistence farming. Today, land is increasingly used for commercial farming in the Amazon basin in Brazil. Land is cleared for large scale cattle farming and soybean growing. The products are mainly exported to the developed countries.
Okay, stop. Ways to increase supply of land. Definitely, we require more land as our population has been increasing for past so many years. Right? The fast and cheapest method to increase the supply of land is to simply clear the forest, to cut down the trees and plants. The speed at which forests have been cleared has been fast following the rapid rate at which the world's population grows since 1960. In tropical countries, previously the land cleared for agriculture is mainly for subsistence. Has anybody remembered we have discussed about the subsistence farming and the commercial farming in grade 6? This to our, you can say to our customers. And the subsistence farming basically used for our personal purposes. We grow different types of crops, okay? We you can say grow, or you can say take care of our animals for our own sake, for our families. This is we call the subsistence farming. And commercial farming, normally we grow crops or we take care of our animals for selling purposes to the other people, right? Now see, as a result of a rapidly growing population, there are more people who are poor and landless. The government of some countries have hence tried to help these people by giving them land in the forest. New land has to be opened up as the cities are already overcrowded. Definitely. If I'll give you the example. Okay, so land reclamation. Yes, anyone else?
Land reclamation. Land reclamation is the creation of new land that once was the ocean. For more than 300 years, the Dutch have been reclaiming and land from marshlands, lakes, and the sea in the northern lands. The land is used for
Netherlands.
agriculture. The land is used for agriculture and other purposes. The method used dikes, raised embankments to keep the water out during and after the land has been reclaimed. The
Reclaimed.
land reclaimed is called a polder. Figure 5.14 shows the Zuiderzee, a reclaimed area or polder. Mining land can also be reclaimed and used. During mining, the land has been dug, left behind pools and created like holes. The holes can be filled in or made into lakes on the area can be used for re,
Recreational
re,
purposes.
recreational purposes. With modern building
Okay, stop.
technology,
Thank you, Hadi. Stop. So land reclamation means definitely they are talking about that land which are, you can say, used for the different purposes. So lakes and sea, if अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं किसी जगह की, ठीक है, किसी शहर की, तो स्पेशली land reclamation यूज की जाती है where we people facing the scarcity of land, ठीक है, the shortage of land. So people must have seen especially those areas, you can say those build the different type of lands on ocean. ठीक है, अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूं दुबई आइलैंड की, जो कि बिल्डअप किया गया है एक ओशन पे, सी पे बेसिकली, ठीक है, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वहाँ पे एक आइलैंड बनाया है, so people can live over there. Likewise, these type of different islands, you can say, they are formed, or you can say they are built up in different cities in different countries as well, just because of they do not have a proper land to provide their citizens, so they started making islands, ठीक है, इन फॉर्म ऑफ लैंड्स कि वहाँ पर प्रॉपरली वो सोसाइटीज बिल्डअप कर सकें, वहाँ पे आसानी से लोगों को जो है वो रेसिडेंशियल एरिया प्रोवाइड कर सकें. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द माइनिंग लैंड, डेफिनेटली पर आप many people you can say build different types of parks or amusement parks, so we call that recreational purposes, right? With modern building technology, land can be created. This is very much like reclamation. Is the Palm Island in Dubai, the United Emirates of Arabia? They are artificial islands created out of material dug out from the sea. Definitely because they do not have a proper place to provide their citizens. Definitely they start making islands on the sea. Major office buildings, hotels, and houses are being built there. The Kansai International Airport in Osaka, Japan, is another example of creating land. To increase the land supply in Japan, because they wanted to increase the land supply to provide their people, their citizens, because they did not have a proper, you can say, enough space or enough land to provide them. This is the reason they started. You can say they built the airport on the ocean, or you can say on the sea. In Hong Kong, where a land is scarce, about 10% of the total land is reclaimed, and more reclamation projects are planned to increase the land supply to meet the increasing demand. Definitely, as the demand has been increasing, ठीक है. Definitely they want more land, or they want, you can say, more land supply to provide their people or the cities. And you can see in the picture as well, the East Coast Park in Singapore is built entirely on reclaimed land. In figure 516, which we are talking about, the Palm Islands in Dubai, so they, you can say, build up this type of, or you can say this kind of island to provide the good enough land to their citizens. Kansai International Airport, it's totally, you can say, it's built up in the sea, on the sea. Land reclamation in land scars Hong Kong. Restoring and derelict land. What is this basically? Yes, can anybody read this, please?
Damaged by fire. Land can be damaged by farming activities. The fertility of the soil is lost through continuous farming and poor farming techniques. Erosion also affects the fertility of the topsoil. The richest layer is washed away. Erosion can be the result of tilling and the removal of soil. Removal of cover vegetation, or when the land is too dry, the irrigation increases the soil content of the soil, making it difficult to grow crops. When the soil is no longer good for cultivation, the land is abandoned, and such land is called derelict land. The loss of
Derelict land.
fertility,
Okay, they are
derelict
talking about
land.
the, thank you, Jafar. Wait, they are talking about restoring derelict land. What does this means? What the mean of this derelict means? We can see the poor condition of land. Okay, land can be damaged by farming activities. Definitely, when we do the frequent farming activities, so land can be damaged. The fertility of the soil is lost through continuous farming. If we definitely, if you provide, you can say, excessive water to the land through because of the farming processes, or you can say to grow the crops. So definitely, what happened to the land becomes, you can say, salty, because the salt content that will increase in the soil, so definitely it will not work properly. वो properly crops को या फिर vegetables को या जो भी आपकी roots हैं वो grow नहीं कर पाएगी, because whenever we provide the water to the abundant in such land is derelict, the loss of fertility of the soil can be restored by adding fertilizers. This is the reason we provide the different type of fertilizer to save our land, to reduce erosion, cover vegetation, and shelter belts can be planted. The Thal Desert Reclamation Project in Pakistan is a good example of using shelters belt to reclaim dry land from arid regions. The primary objective of the object is to convert sand dune, or you can say cover the Thal Desert into productive land. व्हाट हैपन ओवर देयर, क्या होता है बेसिकली, इसमें आप लोग को एक शेल्टर बनाया जाता है, एक बेल्ट बनाई जाती है, जिसकी वजह से आपकी जो एयर प्रोसेस है, जो आपका विंड प्रोसेस है, वो कंट्रोल में रहे जब वेन एवर इट कम्स टू दी, यू कैन से द लैंड और द क्रॉप्स. Basically the process has been started. Yes, Amna, can you please start from here during mining?
During mining, the ground is dug up together with the cover vegetation. The soil is washed away during rainstorms. Heaps of mining is left behind after the valuable minerals have been extracted. Sometimes chemicals are added during the mining process. These chemicals contaminate the soil and the land is abandoned after the mines closed. Mine, Mining operation for years results in the release of heavy metals and acids that can destroy plants and organisms. Figure 5.20, land that is damaged by mining will have to be repaired so that it can be used again. Where land is damaged due to mining, much work is needed for land to be made useful again. The mining waste has to be cleared. The large holes filled in filled in and the contaminated soil has to be treated. Cover vegetation has to be introduced to fight soil erosion. The land once restored can be used for many purposes, such as farming, pasture, recreation, industry, or even housing.
Okay, now, so they are talking about definitely during mining. During mining, the ground is dug up together with the cover vegetation, especially those places where the mining is occurred. You can see if the plants are over there or different type of farmland is over there, so it will be affected because of the mining. Some of the chemicals, or you can say the acid, they just extracted from the land. It can easily go into the farm land and they affect our whole, you can say, the crops or the plants, or you can say the roots. This is the reason this chemical contaminate the soil and the land is abandoned, जिसकी वजह से आपकी land क्या होती है, खराब हो जाती है after the mining mines closed. Mining operations for air results in release of heavy metals and acids definitely inside the earth crust. Definitely some of the different type of gases, or you can say materials, come out with these natural resources. So these all type of, you can say, gases or the different type of acidic material, it affects to the plants, or you can say the farmland. When land is damaged due to mining, much work is needed for the land. Definitely if the land is damaged because of the mining process, so definitely we need to you can say treat it properly. We need to cover the whole vegetation, to be introduced to fight soil erosion. We need to provide some fertilizer to our land, which you can say protect our crops and vegetables from you can say weeds or pesticides. The land once restored can be used for many purposes, such as definitely when we cover or when we save that mining land, so we can use for different purposes, for the farming, for the recreation, to build a different type of industries, factories, or you can say the housing societies. Now people can see how this acid you can say affect our land. The release of acids contaminates the water in and around the mines. अगर ये एसिड जो है जो माइनिंग के थ्रू निकल रहे होते हैं, अगर ये पानी के अंदर चले जाएं, तो ये किस तरीके से वाटर को इफेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं, और किस तरीके से ये नॉर्मली आपके लेक्स को या स्ट्रीम्स को इफेक्ट करे. तो डेफिनेटली सम ऑफ द एसिड्स, और यू कैन से it's really harmful for the aquatic life as well, especially those people, you can say, who they live they drink water through the rivers or through the stream, or those animals, or you can say the aquatic life, it's very dangerous for them.